We're going to take a look at this lip stain by Wonderskin in the shade Lovely. Now, I've been using this for about a month and I really like it, especially on the days where I just want to do minimal makeup and I don't want too much on my face or on my lips. So here's some tips before you even get started. To take this off, you're going to have to get a wet rag and rub it off. So what I like to do is put it on before I put on any of my other makeup if I'm going to be wearing foundation that day. Because what's happened in the past is I put it on and then I get a rag and I wipe it off and I end up taking off some of the foundation all around my mouth and I have to go back and fix that. So I do it before I do anything else. And I also start by first outlining my lips and I slightly will overline them. So let's do that first. Okay, so I have the line, so now I can just fill in the rest. Another thing that you want to keep in mind is once you put it on, do not smack your lips, because you're gonna end up messing up the layers. You just want to put on a layer and let it dry. Okay, so now it's dry. It's still shiny and metallic, but you can feel it that it's dry. So I like to use a thick rag because it's a lip stain and it is going to stain your fingers. I used to use a really thin wet wipe, but by the end of it, my fingers would be completely blue and then also stained with this lip stain. So I just get a cheap rag, I wet it, and now we're just going to wipe it off. Okay, so now this is what we're left with. It's a really pretty tint. What I like to do now is I get a lip gloss or a lip moisturizer. I really like this one by Moray. And I'll just grab a little bit on the back of my nail and put it on my lips. I'll also use it as a lip liner and then just leave it, let that set and do the same thing, take it off and then put on a lip gloss. And so you kind of get that 90s vibe. So I really like it. I really recommend it. Again, this is the shade Lovely. And if you're looking for a lip stain that's going to last you throughout the day, give this one a try.